Hi, do you want to make best use of every single effort and penny that goes into marketing your business? Or are you an entrepreneur or marketer and want to leverage data insights for your business? Hi, I am Gautam Sharma and I have been into performance measurement marketing and have worked as a consultant and trainer for past 12 years. We are excited to bring our webinar Data Driven Marketing Simplified. Data drives business and right analysis accelerates it to the newer heights and success. During webinar, I am going to teach you the all new GA4 and also equip you to leverage data, master tagging and enhance performances using Tag Manager. We'll also help you unlock data insights and boost conversion rates to transform your digital analytics strategy. Learn advanced tracking and measurement tools and improve your ad performances 10 times. Get all these things in just $199, and if you register now, you will have a lifetime access to bonuses worth rupees 10,999. Be quick, last few seats remaining. Register now. See you at the webinar.